The Angelelli Automobili D1 Racing represents a groundbreaking leap in automotive technology, built upon unique proprietary technologies and powered by an enhanced platform derived from the D1 model, infused with amplified power. Aeromeccanica and Angelelli Automobili, headquartered in Rome, Italy, and Austin, Texas, were founded in 2019 with the ambitious goal of revolutionizing the automotive industry through advanced technologies and pioneering tools such as generative design, powered by artificial intelligence, and topological optimization, followed by additive manufacturing. These components are highly engineered and entirely monolithic and innovative, made without the need for molds, resins, welding, or CNC machining. Our unique capability lies in developing tailor-made algorithms for specific applications and even constructing entire automobiles without the need for molds, enabling extreme customization. Angelelli Automobili D1, your next dream.